Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to log in on Imo in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Imo on your device. Download it from Play Store if you don't have it downloaded. Now enter your phone number below. Tap on the blue tick once you're done. Now check if your number is correct or not. Tap on OK if it is correct. If not, then tap on Edit. Now tap on Allow or Don't Allow for the permissions as you like if they pop up. And that is how to log in on Imo app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.